Forged in secrecy from scrapped parts to become masters of the desert, these machines reshaped armored warfare forever. From the early Shermans to the Merkava, here is every Israeli armored vehicle ever made. Starting off with main battle tanks, Sherman M50. World War II Sherman upgraded with French 75mm high-velocity gun in 1950s. Improved firepower, allowing engagement of Soviet-supplied T-34-85s. Served through 1967, Six-Day War, proving upgrades extended service life. Sherman M51, Super Sherman, mounting French 105mm CN-105 F1 gun from AMX-30. Most powerful Sherman variant ever created. Effectively engaged T-54-55 tanks during 1967 and 1973 wars, despite World War II origins. Shoutcal, upgraded British Centurion with Continental diesel engine and Allison transmission. Improved reliability in desert conditions. Fought legendary Golan Heights tank battles during 1973 Yom Kippur War successfully. Now this is the Magak 3 M48 pattern, upgraded with British 105mm L7 gun, replacing 90mm. Significantly improved anti-armor capability. Served during late 1960s and throughout 1973 war as frontline tank. The next one, Magak 5, based on M60A1 with Israeli modifications including improved fire control. Better protected and more mobile than predecessors. Backbone of armored core through 1970s, 1980s. Magak 6 N60 variant featuring Blazer explosive reactive armor countering anti-tank missiles. First Israeli tank with ERA protection. Low profile and heavy armor made difficult target. Magak 7 extensively modified M60 with heavy passive armor and advanced fire control systems. Nearly unrecognizable from original pattern design. Demonstrated extreme evolution potential of legacy platforms. Tyran 4, captured Soviet T-54, modified for IDF service with improved fire control. Internal layout modifications improving crew comfort and effectiveness. Clever repurposing of enemy equipment against original users. Tyran 5, captured T-55 upgraded with British 105mm L7 gun, replacing original 100mm. Significantly improved firepower, blending Soviet design with Western precision. Served alongside Israeli-built tanks successfully. Tyran 6, captured. T-62 pressed into limited IDF service, provided valuable intelligence on Soviet tank technology and capabilities. Fewer converted than T-54-55 variants. Up next, Sabra Mark 1. Heavily modernized M60 export variant with 120mm smoothbore gun. Gave old chassis modern main battle tank lethality. Designed primarily for Turkish market. Sabra Mark 2. Improved variant with modular armor packages enhancing protection. Successful upgrade kit demonstrating versatility. Focused on survivability while maintaining high firepower throughout. Up next, Sabra Mark 3. Most advanced Sabra, featuring improved sensors and fire control systems, represents peak M60 modernization evolution. Highly capable against much newer tank designs. Merkava Mark 1. Revolutionary. 1979 design with front-mounted engine prioritizing crew survival. Unique rear ammunition storage and emergency exit, unlike anything else when first appearing on battlefield. Merkava Mark 2. Improved armor protection and 60mm internal mortar system added. Optimized for close quarters urban combat, IDF frequently encountered. Solidified Merkava reputation for crew survivability. Merkava Mark 3. Major upgrade, introducing 120mm smoothbore gun, replacing original 105mm. Modular armor panels, revolutionizing field repair capabilities. Enhanced firepower and protection significantly. Merkava Mark 4, modern masterpiece, featuring trophy active protection system intercepting incoming missiles. Unmatched crew protection with advanced armor suite. Digital fire control and sophisticated battlefield management systems. Merkava Mark 5 Barak. Latest variant featuring advanced sensors, artificial intelligence, and 360-degree awareness systems. Digital battlefield fortress rather than traditional tank. Represents cutting-edge armored warfare technology. Moving on to armored personnel carriers and infantry fighting vehicles. Zelda. M113 Armored Personnel Carrier Workhorse, serving decades in IDF service. Simple, versatile design, essential to Armored Corps operations. Familiar sight across multiple conflicts. Zelda 2, upgraded M113 variant with additional armor and distinctive slat armor screens. Improved protection against anti-tank weapons. Extended service life in dangerous urban zones. Nagman, urban combat specialist with armored observation tower allowing safe street scanning. Designed specifically for urban warfare challenges. Specialized solution for dangerous city environments. Casman, security and low-intensity operations variant, providing safe patrol capability. Focused on visibility and crew safety in urban areas. Built for managing difficult operational environments. Visata, specialized support vehicle for logistical and engineering brigade needs. Focused on maintaining operational momentum. Vital for success despite not being frontline fighter. Next, Pequod, mobile command and control variant filled with advanced communications equipment. Allows commanders remaining in action during operations. Brain of mechanized operations on move. OFEC, retired tank hulls converted to heavy support vehicles. Massive protection for command and medical teams. Proves solid chassis always finds new purpose. Nagmashot, first heavy armored personnel carrier from converted Centurion tanks. Turret removed, creating massive armored troop compartment. Pioneered new infantry protection, thinking Nagmachon. Recognizable by tall armored cabin. Nicknamed Doghouse, providing excellent urban visibility. Specialized design, built for toughest street fighting. Unique silhouette on battlefield. Nakpadon, most heavily armored Centurion-based carrier. Surviving lethal anti-tank missiles. Built for highest threat environments. True survivor, keeping countless soldiers safe. Aksarit, captured T-54. T-55 hulls converted into heavy armored personnel carriers. Turret removed, rear troop compartment added. One of the most durable, effective heavy carriers ever made. Namer, peak infantry protection built on Merkava tank chassis. Gun replaced with troop compartment carrying 9 infantry. Allows following tanks into intense fire safely. Eitan, first Israeli 8x8 wheeled armored personnel carrier, replacing aging M113. Incredible protection and mobility for infantry squads. Modern design entering service 2020s. Carmel, future combat vehicle using advanced sensors and artificial intelligence. Operates with just 2 crew members using automation. Designed for high-tech battlefields of tomorrow. Next on the list is tank destroyers and missile carriers. Perret, secretive missile carrier disguised as standard tank with fake gun barrel. Hidden pop-up launcher fires long-range spike missiles. Classified for decades as deception platform. Hafiz, modified M113 serving as mobile spike missile platform. Quick, deadly response against enemy armor. Protected crew while providing anti-tank capability. Giraffe, M113 variant with tow missile launcher on folding pedestal. Allows firing from behind cover while staying hidden. Effective tank destroyer configuration. Killshon, unique vehicle mounting AGM-45 Shrike anti-radiation missile on modified tank chassis. Designed destroying enemy radar systems. Critical role, suppressing enemy air defenses. Next on the list is armored cars and light tactical vehicles. RBY Mark I. Light reconnaissance vehicle with low profile and 5-shaped hull protecting against mine blasts. Fast, agile design, perfect for scouting missions. Effective desert reconnaissance platform. Ram V2. Multi-purpose armored vehicle known for rugged reliability. Configurable for scouting, troop transport and various roles. Enclosed design protecting crew effectively. Ram Mark III. Modern evolution featuring fully enclosed body with enhanced protection. Heavily protected against small arms and mines. Popular with special forces units worldwide. Nimdashute Mark II. Unique 6-wheeled vehicle built for high desert mobility. Tough and easy maintaining. Reliable workhorse transporting troops through difficult terrain. Zeev. Heavily armored utility vehicle on commercial truck chassis. Excellent protection for urban security forces. Sturdy, dependable choice for patrol duties. Now this is the Golan, mine-protected vehicle designed surviving harsh roadside threats. Heavy 5-shaped hull and modular armor. True fortress on wheels for troops. Plasan Sandcat. Light armored vehicle famous for speed and agility. Commercial chassis with high-level protection. Used by police and military globally. Plasan Garda. Massive armored transport for high-risk riot control and security. Carries large officer teams in total safety. Imposing presence on city streets. Plasan Hyrax. Lightweight vehicle designed for easy air transport. Bridges gap between light trucks and heavy armored cars. Perfect protection deployment balance. Plasan Stinger. Light strike vehicle, built for speed and agility. Surprising punch for small size. Perfect for hit-and-run missions in tough terrain. Plasan Wilder. Unique mid-engine design, handling like racing buggy with armored car protection. Built conquering roughest desert landscapes. Unconventional high-performance platform. The next one. Plasan Yagu. Extremely narrow, lightweight vehicle, slipping through tight urban alleys. Armored go-kart for modern battlefield. Goes where larger vehicles cannot fit. Plasan Mantis. Modular platform with futuristic appearance. High protection with low profile. Unconventional design, making it very hard spotting. MDT David. Commercial chassis-based vehicle staple for patrol duties. Provides essential, low-intensity conflict protection. Reliable and very easy maintaining. MDT Tiger. Heavier variant built for high-threat environments. Impressive protection against small arms and explosives. Carries full squad confidently into action. MDT Shual. Light patrol vehicle, agile and quick. Perfect for scout missions and urban security. Great mobility balance for crew. Panther. Massive troop protection leap forward, replacing older trucks. Built withstanding heavy fire, keeping crews safe. Much safer cabin design. Then, Tigress. Advanced composite materials keeping weight down. Smooth ride over broken ground. Reliable troop transport through dangerous areas. Combat Guard. Futuristic design, prioritizing speed and clearance. Drives over obstacles, stopping most trucks. Aggressive-looking battlefield machine. Z-Bar. Pure off-road vehicle. Racing across sand dunes and rocky hills. Incredible mobility in challenging desert environments. Purpose-built desert warrior. Samar Musketeer. Compact armored car for tight city streets. Great visibility and protection in small package. Ideal urban patrol choice. AILM 325. True field veteran, serving decades as logistics backbone. Famous for simple design and legendary toughness. Classic Israeli military truck. Next, AIL Abir. Versatile vehicle replacing older trucks. Strong and adaptable for almost any mission. Proven workhorse over many operations. AIL Storm. Israeli-modified Land Rover for scouting and command roles. Classic British off-roader adapted for IDF. Beloved motor pool fixture. Now let's look at self-propelled artillery and multiple rocket launchers. M51 155mm, Sherman hull mounting French 155mm howitzer, creating mobile artillery. Rugged, effective solution for mobile combat operations. Proved highly effective during service. L-33 Roem, self-propelled gun using modified tank hull, providing full crew protection. Bulky appearance but impressive firepower for its time. Sherman-based artillery platform. Rochev, American M109, with Israeli electronic and storage improvements. Reliable artillery core workhorse for many years. Locally modified self-propelled howitzer. Doa, M109 Evolution, featuring better navigation systems and improved electronics. Helped crews fighting longer and more accurately. Enhanced operational capability. Sholef, Merkava chassis combined with long-range 155mm gun. Designed firing while moving. Sophisticated self-propelled artillery. Never entering full production. Rascal. Lightweight artillery system easily transported by air. Packs heavy punch despite smaller size and simplified frame. Mobile artillery solution. Atmos 2000. Truck-mounted artillery system with powerful gun. Fast and flexible, ready firing within seconds. Modern wheeled self-propelled howitzer. The next one, Sigma. Next-generation truck-mounted artillery with fully automated turret. Reduces crew size, increasing fire rate significantly. Advanced automated artillery system. MAR 240. Sherman-based multiple rocket launcher firing heavy rockets. devastating area saturation during intense combat. Modified tank chassis rocket artillery. MAR-290. Massive tubes launching huge rockets from modified tank chassis. Sheer explosive power clearing fortified positions. Heavy rocket artillery system. Next up, Mortar Carriers. MACMAT 81mm. Standard mortar, mounted on half-track, providing mobile infantry fire support. Could keep up with front lines. Simple, effective design. MACMAT 120mm. Larger mortar variant for increased range and firepower. Reliable workhorse during earlier conflicts. Enhanced mobile mortar capability. MACMAT 160mm. Massive mortar, requiring heavy tank chassis. Fired enormous shells, acting like heavy artillery. Extremely powerful mortar system. Now this is the Keshet, modern computerized 120mm mortar system in M113 carrier. Incredible accuracy with very high fire rate. Advanced automated mortar platform. Hanit. Highly mobile truck-mounted mortar using advanced recoil technology. Stays stable while raining fire. Modern lightweight mortar system. Now let's look at self-propelled anti-aircraft vehicles. Macbeth. M113 upgrade combining 20mm rotary cannon with 4 Stinger missile launchers. Hybrid air defense system tracking low-flying threats. Mobile anti-aircraft protection. Now let's look at combat engineering and armored recovery vehicles. Trailblazer. Tank hull-based recovery vehicle with massive boom crane and front blade. Heavyweight lifter pulling disabled tanks from battle. Vital armored column tool. Next, Nemira. Merkava hull-based heavy recovery variant with high-capacity crane. Powerful winch ensuring heaviest armored vehicles recovered under fire. Battlefield powerhouse for recovery. Nemira. World's best protected infantry carrier using main battle tank chassis. Fortress-level armor keeping squads safe during intense operations. Merkava-based armored personnel carrier. Puma. Combat engineering vehicle on tank hull carrying minefield clearing equipment. Specialized gear overcoming obstacles. Tough tool for dangerous terrain. Tagash. Scissor bridge layer essential for crossing gaps and trenches. Deploys heavy-duty bridge within minutes. Critical obstacle crossing capability. Ial. Unique modification featuring massive folding bridge spanning gaps. Facilitates unit movement across obstacles. Specialized bridge laying platform. Next, Ambutank. Specialized armored ambulance saving lives during firefights. Turret replaced with medical equipment creating safe space. Bulletproof treatment room when seconds count. Armored IDF Caterpillar D9. Heavily armored D9 bulldozer clearing paths and destroying fortifications under fire. More than construction equipment, combat engineering workhorse. Ram Hashakha. Heavy combat engineering vehicle on tank chassis for mine clearing. Ensures safe path forward for columns, engineering support and obstacle clearing. Next on the list is unmanned ground vehicles. Viper. Compact portable robot for urban combat reconnaissance. Climb stairs, entering buildings, scouting threats. Keeps soldiers safe, doing dangerous reconnaissance. Guardian. Autonomous ground vehicle, patrolling borders and high-risk areas. Cameras and sensors, detecting intruders from miles away. Operates hours without human aboard. Segev. Commercial truck chassis-based unmanned vehicle, providing low-cost perimeter security. Follows pre-programmed routes or remote control. Autonomous patrol platform. Up next, Avant-Garde. Versatile robotic platform for combat support, carrying supplies, detecting mines, providing surveillance. Modular design adapting to mission requirements. Multi-role UGV. Ending with early and improvised armored vehicles. Sandwich armored car. Improvised 1948 vehicle, using wood layers between steel plates, protecting crew. Vital breaking Jerusalem siege during War of Independence. Early, desperate ingenuity. Now this is the Parpar armored car. Improvised 1948 War of Independence vehicle on commercial truck chassis. 5-shaped armored body, giving it colorful butterfly nickname. Essential convoy protection through dangerous territory to Jerusalem.